Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Hafsa from Maths Online Coaching. Today we are going to solve a question paper of Pearson Edexcel International A-Level Mathematics. Pure Mathematics 1, January 2026 with paper code WMA1101. Question number 9. Figure 4 shows a sketch of the part of the graph of trigonometric function with the equation y is equal to f of x. Part A. Write down an expression for f of x. Look at the graph in figure 4. This graph is similar to the graph of cos function. The graph of cos function is like this one. The value of cos is 1 at x is equal to 0. But this graph is the reflection of the cos function as the value is minus 10 at 0. So the scale factor is minus 10 here. Therefore, the function will be minus 10 cos x. Now we can check it by using the values of x here. If we put x is equal to 0, it gives minus 10. And at x is equal to pi, it is 10. At pi, this is 10. At 0, this is minus 10. Similarly, we can check the other values by using in the equation. So the graph represents the function fx is equal to minus 10 cos x. Next is part B. Number 1, on diagram 1, sketch a graph of the curve with equation y is equal to 10 minus x square. And number 2 is hence find the number of solutions of the equation f of x is equal to 10 minus x square in the interval x greater than or equal to minus 100 pi and less than or equal to 100 pi. To solve this equation, look at the equation y is equal to 10 minus x square. This is the quadratic equation. And the coefficient of x square is minus 1, negative coefficient here. So the curve will be faces down like this. Now let us sketch this curve. The function is y is equal to 10 minus x square. Now, if we put x is equal to 0, it gives y is equal to 10. 0, 10. 0, 10 is the point, this one. At 0, it is 10. And if we put y is equal to 0, it gives 0 is equal to 10 minus x square, which is x square is equal to 10. And this is x is equal to plus minus square root 10. Which is approximately equal to 3.14 and so on. So the point on x-axis will be this one and this one on the left side of y-axis. Now draw the curve here. Similarly on the right side. Now this is the graph. This is the graph of the function y is equal to 10 minus x square. Quadratic function faces down and passing through 0, 10. Now part B is hence find the number of solutions of the equation fx is equal to 10 minus x square within this interval. Fx is equal to 10 minus x square. Fx is the given curve and 10 minus x square is the quadratic curve which we have drawn now. So to find out the solution of these two curves, we have to take the points which are common to them, the points of intersection of the two curves. So look at the graph here. The point of intersection of the two curves are this and this one. So there are 2 points of intersection for the interval minus 2 pi and 2 pi. And similarly for the interval minus 100 pi to 100 pi, x is greater than or equal to minus 100 pi. Less than or equal to 100 pi. There are 2 number of solutions. It completes part B. Now look at part C. Number 1, on diagram 2, sketch a graph of the curve with equation y is equal to tan x, where x is greater than or equal to minus 2 pi and less than or equal to 2 pi. Number 2 is hence find the number of solutions of the equation f of x is equal to tan x in the interval x greater than or equal to minus 100 pi and less than or equal to 100 pi, giving a reason for your answer. Now, we move to the diagram 2. In part 1, we have to sketch the function y is equal to tan x. Tan x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi and so on. And this is equal to plus minus infinity at x is equal to plus minus pi by 2 and its odd multiples. Now we sketch the graph. The value of tan is 0 at 0 and it goes to infinity in this way. And similarly on the negative side, this is like this. Again, 0 at pi and move towards infinity. And here it moves towards minus infinity. Similarly, 0 at 2 pi and move towards minus infinity here. On the left side of the y-axis, this is 0 at minus pi, and the graph will be like this. Similarly, towards minus infinity. And then this is 0 at minus 2 pi and move towards infinity. So this is the graph of tan function within the interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi, which completes part 1. And part 2 is hence find the number of solutions of the equation f of x is equal to tan x within the interval minus 100 pi to 100 pi. Now, we want to take the solutions of the equation f of x is equal to tan x. F of x is the graph which is given and tan x is drawn here. So to find out the solutions of this equation, we have to take the points which are common to both the graphs, which are the intersection points of the curves. And those points are number 1, number 2, next is 3 and 4. So there are 4 points of intersection and so 4 number of solutions of this equation fx is equal to tan x. These solutions lie within the interval 4 number of solutions in greater than or equal to minus 2 pi and less than or equal to 2 pi within this interval. But we want to take the solutions within the interval minus 100 pi to 100 pi. So to take the solutions in this interval, we have to multiply 4 with 50, which gives 200 number of solutions. So the final answer is 200. Number of solutions is 200, which completes the question. This was last question of this paper, E1 January 2026. If there is any difficulty or any question, please write it in the comment box. And if you want to take more solutions, then subscribe the channel so that you get the notification of the new videos. Thank you very much.